Isa, duha, tulo, upat, lima. Ako, rejud, kang giampo. O kapito, o kapito. Ako, rejud, kang gipangayo. O kapito, o kapito. Wait, there's comment in my comment section. Pasikat, murag sikat. Really? Do you know me? I'm Ratolon. Do you hear my singing before I read your comment in my comment section? I'm praying 7 times a day to become a popular. If I'm not popular, why are you watching my videoing and you comment in my comment section? Oh my goodness. So it means he heard my praying every day. Are you crazy?